Welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this, hit the subscription button and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. From this session, we will start a new series that is HackerRank 30 Days of Code. Daily, we will upload a video. Hope you enjoy this and learn many more things in this series. Guys, I am Nayas from Technico MDN. So let's begin with the day 0. As we are programmers, we start with 0, not 1. Let's start day 0. Hello world. So let's begin with the day 0, that is hello world. As you can see, the problem is given like this. The objective goes like this. In this challenge, we review some basic concept that will get you started with this series. You will need to use the same syntax to read input and write output in this challenge throughout HackerRank. The given task is to complete this challenge, you must save a line of input from stdin, that is as we discussed in the previous video, that is standard input, to a variable that is print hello world. Here they have said on a single line and finally print the value of your variable on a second line. That is, we have to print hello world in one line, and on the next line we have to print the value that is stored when we take the standard input. They have given a note. The instructions are Java based, but we support submission in many popular languages. As we are going in the Java series, let's go into this with Java only. Next, let us see what is the input format. A single line of text denoting input string. So the variable goes like this, input string, and the output format is print hello world on the first line and the content of input string on the next line, that is second line. So they have given a sample input, that is make a note that the inputs and outputs are taken by the HackerRank platform itself. So the input they will give is welcome to 30 days of code, and the output must look like this. Here the explanation is given. On the first line we print the string literal, that is hello world, as you can see here, hello world. On the second line we print the contents of the input string, that is the variable we have taken input string, the content should be printed on the next line variable, which for this simple case happens to be welcome to 30 days of code. If you do not print the variable contents to standard output, you will not pass the hidden test cases. Let's maximize this screen to get both these layouts side by side. This is how we switch to full screen layout. Before we get started, I will show you something. You just comment and tell me which theme you will like. This is the light theme. In this theme we will explain, or in the dark, or in high contrast. For better appearance, let's go with light theme itself. So as you can see, you can extend this one. As you can see, they have imported Java IO, that is as similar in C++ or C. For example, in C++ we include some streams, that is include stdio.h, include conio.h. Similarly, here we import Java's packages, that is IO refers to input output, util refers to everything, whatever the packages are there, they are stored inside this util.star. So next is text, maths, util.regex. So next line goes like this, public class solution. That is the access specifier is public and the solution is a class. As you can see, the first letter, that is alphabet of a class, is capital, that is uppercase. So next they have used the command line argument, that is public static void main string args, and here they have created scanner class. Create a scanner object to read input, standard input, that is scanner scan is equal to new scanner. So this is ready. Next read a full line of input for standard input and save it to a variable. So this is also done by the HackerRank itself. Next is As we discussed in the previous video, we have to close the scanner. So it has closed. Close the scanner object because we have finished reading. Next, print the string literal saying hello world. So it is printed. Now to do, what we have to do is here, write a line of code here that prints the contents of the input string to output. So now let's code here. System.out.println. Inside the parenthesis, there is nothing to print. So we have to print this string. So let's copy this and paste inside this and ends with semicolon. So we are printing this line. So now let's run the code. So this is the sample test case that we have passed. So it is displaying congratulations, you have passed the simple test case. Click the submit button to run your code against all the test cases. So next what we have to do is we have to submit the code. So let's submit the code. After submitting the code, it will run another test case. This is hidden test case 1. So as you can see, our test case 0, test case 1 are both have passed this challenge. So here it is displaying you solve this challenge. Would you like to challenge your friends? You can share this thing with your Facebook friends, Twitter or LinkedIn community or connections. The next challenge in the tutorial will unlock. Since I have completed this, it is showing like this. If not, it will be on the next day 9 p.m. Let's go back to the dashboard. So this is how we have passed this HackerRank problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this session was helpful. If you have got any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. If you're not yet subscribed this channel, subscribe now. Meet you all in the next video. Bye.